I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. It's a little comic, standing on the front line, slowly going forward without knowing better. I need to be honest, it was for the better. Every day's perfect for a lifetime celebration. Go ahead. Come tonight, I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, the good days. But good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it.